Winter storm watch in effect from Saturday morning into Sunday morning. The National Weather Service in Philadelphia has issued a winter storm watch for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and for the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot, and for the following counties in New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, Morris, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Montgomery, Monroe, Northampton, and Philadelphia. A fast-moving cold front from the Midwest and Canada is expected to impact the region later today. Heavy snow and isolated sleet is likely with this system. Accumulations of 4 to 7 inches are possible, with the heaviest snow expected Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Sleet amounts of 1/10 to an inch are possible in some areas. A winter storm watch means that the conditions are favorable for the development of dangerous winter weather in the next 24 to 48 hours. Travel may be difficult. Roads may become hazardous to near impassable. Be aware and careful if ice is present. Icy roads can cause dangerous accidents. All residents in the watch area should monitor the latest forecast. Blizzard watch in effect from 12 p.m. Saturday until 9 a.m. Sunday. The winter storm watch has been canceled. The National Weather Service in Philadelphia has issued a blizzard watch for extremely heavy snow, which is in effect from 12 p.m. Saturday to 9 a.m. Sunday. A fast low-pressure system has intensified and is expected to bring blizzard conditions into the Northeast. Snow accumulations of 6 to 8 inches and expected with isolated amounts of 11 inches near the Delaware-Pennsylvania border. Sustained winds of 30 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour are likely expected. A blizzard watch means that the conditions are favorable for the development of dangerous winter weather that may cause poor visibility and travel difficulties are expected in the next 24 to 48 hours. Whiteout conditions and power outages are possible. Travel conditions will be nearly impossible. All residents in the watch area should monitor the latest forecast. The latest updates can be found at winter storm warning in effect from 2 p.m. Saturday until 9 a.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Philadelphia has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow and freezing rain, which is in effect from 2 p.m. Saturday until 9 a.m. Sunday. Locations impacted: Philadelphia metropolitan area, Dutch Country, Lehigh Valley, all of Delaware, all of New Jersey, and the eastern shore of Maryland. Hazards: heavy snow and freezing rain. Sustained winds of 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Snow accumulation of 5 to 8 inches. Freezing rain accumulations of 1/10 of an inch. Timing: snow will reach the warning area late Saturday afternoon and will gradually intensify Saturday evening. Impacts: heavy snow will make travel very difficult. Heavy snow and gusty winds will result in power outages and downed trees. Blowing snow will greatly impact visibility, making travel dangerous and impassable. Temperatures will reach low 10s to below 10 degrees. A winter storm warning means that the conditions are favorable for the development of dangerous winter weather that may cause poor visibility and travel difficulty are expected in the next 24 to 48 hours. Only travel in the event of an emergency. If you must travel, carry an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case you are stranded. All residents in the watch area should monitor the latest forecast. The latest updates can be found at weather.gov. Blizzard warning in effect from 5 p.m. Saturday until 9 a.m. Sunday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. The National Weather Service in Philadelphia has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until 9 a.m. Sunday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Snow will continue to intensify tonight into tomorrow morning. This snow will combine with strong winds to create blowing and drifting snow. Snow accumulations will vary greatly due to the wind, but 6 to 9 inches is expected, with isolated amounts of 10 to 12 inches possible. Winds, sustained winds of up to 40 to 45 miles per hour, with gusts up to 55 miles per hour at times. Isolated gusts of up to 60 miles per hour may occur. These strong winds will produce downed trees and widespread power outages across the Northeast. In addition, strong winds and cold temperatures will produce wind chill values of -10 to -15 degrees. A blizzard warning means that severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling snow, strong winds, and low visibility are likely. This system will produce whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous or impossible. Do not travel. If you must travel, carry an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of you are stranded. If you are stranded, stay with your vehicle and use it as a shelter. All residents in the watch area should monitor the latest forecast. The latest updates can be found at weather.gov. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. A state of emergency has been declared and is in effect for the whole state of Pennsylvania. A massive blizzard has struck the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, causing whiteout conditions, many power outages, downed trees, frostbite and hyperthermia, and multiple deaths. All residents should remain at home until the winter storm fully passes. Large-scale wind damage has been reported in many areas of the state, along with local snow accumulations of 16 to 20 inches. All residents in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania should take shelter immediately. Make sure your shelter has food, water, and heating supplies. Ensure your shelter will not be destroyed by strong winds. All residents should monitor the latest forecast. The latest updates can be found at weather.gov, as well as on local news stations.